Pinhole camera.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from LearnFatafat.com.
Let's make a pinhole camera. You can make a pinhole camera using boxes or PVC pipe or even a sheet of paper. We will use a sheet of paper as it is easily available. So what do you need to make a simple pinhole camera? You will need a thick sheet of paper, a black paper, a white paper, some rubber bands, a pin, and a small quantity of oil. If available, you can also get a tracing paper instead of white paper and oil.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Take sufficiently large part of thick sheet and roll it to make a tube. In the same way, make another tube little thinner than the previous. With the help of black paper and rubber band, cover one end of thick tube and make a small hole in the middle of covered part. Similarly, cover one end of smaller tube with white paper and rubber band. Now put some oil drops in the middle of covered part so as to make it translucent. A translucent object is one through which light can pass only partially. Now, insert the thin tube in the thick tube. Your pinhole camera is ready. Look at the tree through the open end of thinner pipe. On the oily part of paper or tracing paper, you will see an image of the tree. Slide the pipe forward or backward and try to obtain a clear image of tree on the screen. But the image appears to be upside down. Such image is called inverted image. It has color of object and so we cannot say it is a shadow of the object. So a shadow is definitely different than an image.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Now, by observing the image formation by pinhole camera, one can easily understand that light from top of the tree must be going in straight direction through the pinhole to reach at the bottom of the screen. Similarly, light from the bottom of the tree must be going in straight direction through the pinhole to reach at the top of the screen. The same principle is used for working of camera that a photographer uses to capture pictures. However, these cameras make use of convex lenses or also called magnifying lenses to form much clearer image. I hope you have understood this topic very well. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, log on to LearnFatafat.com and get your favorite course the way you want.
Like, share and subscribe LearnFatafat.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from LearnFatafat.com.